Here are 5 of the cutest dog breeds you probably didn't know exist. First up, the Loshin, also called the Little Lion Dog, small, rare, and adorable. Next, the Moody, a super smart and fluffy Hungarian herding dog. Number 3, the Norwegian Lundehund, with 6 toes and super flexibility. Number 4, the Bedlington Terrier with its lamb-like curls and sweet personality. Finally, meet the Dandy Dinmont Terrier tiny body, huge personality, and super cute top knot. Which one's your favorite? Drop it in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more.